How to add music on Messenger Notes. Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step on how you can add music on Messenger Notes. It's very easy, you just need to follow some steps. So what you need to do is, of course, download the application onto your device and then open it and log into your account. And to add a note, you can see a note option at the very first option. You just need to tap on the note option. You may, if you have friends who have added their notes, you can see it on this side. But for now, since we're gonna share our music on Messenger Notes, what you need to do is just tap on the share a thought option. And here you can see the music option. Just tap on it. And you may just add one of the music that you want. Let's say I'm gonna add this music. After choosing the music, you get to post the 30 seconds part of that music. You may choose any part of the song that you want to share up to 30 seconds and tap on done. And then you may also write something under it or leave it, just add it as it is. I'm gonna leave it as it is and tap on share. And then you can see your music has been shared. When you watch from other accounts, your music will be visible to other friends as well. And when you tap on it, it plays for 30 seconds. You may just go here, then you can delete the note if you want, or you may change it. So in this way, you can add music on Messenger Notes. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.